With beautiful art and architecture, Florence is a stunning place to explore. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the best things to do in Florence. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So the first thing to see is the Florence Cathedral. You can't visit Florence without heading to this famous cathedral. It is a gorgeous place that overlooks the city, standing at 114 meters tall. Taking 140 years to build, this is one of the most celebrated cathedrals in the world. This is also where you will see the famous dome that Florence is known for. Then we have the Uffizi Gallery. For anyone that loves and appreciates art, this is the place to visit. You can see artworks by some of the most famous artists, as well as iconic works such as the Birth of Venus. Next we have the Florence Town Hall. This is another iconic building in the heart of Florence. Admire the distinct architectural design to this town hall and book tickets to go inside and explore. The Basilica of Santa Croce is another popular site in Florence that can't be missed, mainly because of its size. The church is an important landmark. Not only is it unique and stunning, but it is also the burial place for some of Italy's most famous nationals, including Michelangelo and Galileo. There are plenty of bridges that cross the Arno River, but none are as renowned or as gorgeous as Ponte Vecchio. Wander over the bridge and window shop along the stores located on the bridge itself. Whilst you are in Florence, you should also see the statue of David. One of Michelangelo's most famous works is arguably the statue of David. You can see a replica of the statue in the Piazza or the real thing in the Accademia Gallery. Which brings us on to the next thing to see here is the Accademia Gallery. It is home to many significant art pieces and shouldn't be missed on your trip to Florence. Not only are there plenty of works by Michelangelo, but you can also find a wealth of historical art dating back to the 14th century, alongside a museum of musical instruments. For the best views over Florence, head up to Piazzale Michelangelo. You need to cross over to the other side of Florence to reach this destination, but the walk is worth it for amazing views. We recommend heading here for sunset. Next, take a break from the museums and head to the BOBOLI Gardens. You can enjoy a pleasant morning walk through the gardens, admiring the 16th to 18th century sculptures, and you could even bring a picnic along with you. Then we have the Baptistery of St. John. As one of the oldest buildings in Florence, the exterior of the baptistery includes a truly Florentine design, similar to that found on other religious buildings in the city. Admire the scenes depicted on the bronze doors, and inside, make sure to look up to see an incredible mosaic ceiling. Watch this video to find out about the things to know before you go to Florence. Then, to learn about the best places to visit in Italy, watch this video. We hope you have a fantastic time in Florence and stay creative.